सो हियर आई एम। ये मैं विक्रम प्रसाद बोल रहा हूँ। क्या होता है कि घर में कुछ न कुछ हमेशा ख़राब होती रहती है। अभी मेरा टॉयलेट फ्लश ख़राब हुआ है, उसी को ख़रीदने के लिए हम आए हुए हैं लोइस में। देखिए यहाँ क्रिसमस टाइम। Beautiful decorations, Christmas time. Beautiful decorations. So I'll go in plumbing area and look it, and if not I will ask somebody. They are very helpful. So let us see. So I have to look here. I don't see plumbing, so apparently it is in the other side. Paint area, counter. So let's look the plumbing area. I may find somebody to help me. This is the paint area. Flooring. I can see there's flooring. And hardware. Very nicely organized. A lot of people to help you. And I still don't see. Oh, plumbing I see now. I see plumbing. Lowe is a very good store, large store. A lot of people come to buy anything they need in relation to their home, garden. There is a garden area. तो गार्डन एरिया भी है। ये लोई स्टोर बहुत पॉपुलर है अमेरिका में। आप देख रहे हैं प्लम्बिंग का, वहीं हम जा रहे हैं। डोर्स, विंडोज, प्लम्बिंग। Now I have to find that so I don't see here. Maybe there's some bar. See, no one to help here. There are short of people, so I have to keep going till I find toilet flush. There are so many products they cannot write on the board. see the guy is there on that side. I don't see, so I have to ask somebody. Lot of stuff. Apparently not on this side. I don't see. There's sort of people at this time in this country throughout USA. I don't see. Oh, this is a bulb area. Bulb. Oh, it's a light area. Not finding anybody. So this is the problem when these stores are short of people. Usually they always have people, but at this time they're very short of people. Electrical stuff. Everything you want. I don't see anybody, so it's hard. I see one guy. Here he's coming. And I'm waving my hand. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I'm taking a video just to see how helpful people are here.
Okay. Well, how
So
can I help you today?
my question is, and you are not there yet at this time. So my question is, where is the toilet flush? Toilet flush. I'm looking caller. Toilet flush.
Toilet flush?
Yeah.
It's going to be down over here in fashion bath.
So
You want just the inside, sir, or are you looking for just the insides of a toilet?
yeah, exactly.
That may be in 16.
So as you can see, he's helping. There are a lot of people very helpful. So I was lucky that I found him. And if they do not know, they immediately look in their cell phone. That will tell them where is exactly located. Very good service.
Mike, the toilet parts are where? Are they?
16, toilet repair bay, right inside.
Also, this is another guy. As you can see on his back is written Lowe. Thank you, my friend. So finally we have come here.
Kind of all all the different kind of guts and stuff for toilet repair.
Okay, so you don't see Kohler here? Do they have Kohler?
Most of the time, the insides are not
Generic.
brand specific like a Kohler brand.
Exactly.
Kohler,
Usually those are generic.
yeah, but these are going to work in any of those kind of toilets.
Okay.
American Standard or Kohler. Or
I see.
Yeah.
All right, my friend. Thank you so much.